So when you get an urge, as soon as you get an urge at AM, you want to get out of bed, bro. You want to do these squats. Every time. They never fail you, G. You want to do these squats, you know what I'm saying? You want to do a wall sit too. We'll do a wall sit real quick. You know what I'm saying? Find the nearest wall and shit. Put your hips right on the wall or your back. And then sit in the sitting position like you got a chair underneath you. Hold your legs up and squeeze. And let the energy move from right here all in your legs, man. You be most vulnerable when you wake up, so that makes a lot of sense. Why you be having a lot of energy in that area. As soon as you wake up, man, you know, we know what type of thoughts come after that, so you don't want to release, transmute. So this is what you do, and then we'll do some squats in about 10 more seconds. Just let the pain, feel the pain, embrace the pain. That's a good thing. Squeeze your muscles, guys. It's just another day to improve and to build. So, shit. After you do the wall sit, then you want to do some squats, man. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you're great. You're destined for greatness. This shit free, man. Practicing semen retention is free. Change your life. Force yourself to grow. Embrace the pain. Embrace the transformation. That shit burn, nigga. That's good, though. I'm gonna do it just like that, guys. You can even go slow if you want. To build more testosterone, even muscle growth. Like overall muscle growth. Hit them squats. Don't sleep on them squats, man. Don't skip leg day. I personally don't focus on squats, but I'm going to start focusing on them more than push-ups and shit. Over push-ups, do more squats. See what that do for me. So, that's the video. I'll catch y'all next one.